Percent of a number with Miss Devonia Brown. Percentage. A percentage is a part of an amount or object in 100 parts. 1 is 1% of 100. 5 is 5% of 100. 12 is 12% of 100. Rule to find the percent of a number. To find the percentage of a number, multiply the number by the percent written as a decimal. Example, 34% of 150. Remember the rule. Multiply the number, which is 150, by the percent written as a decimal. 34% written as a decimal is 3400, which is written as 0.34. Multiply. 4 times 0, 0 ones. 4 times 5 is 20 tens. Regroup 20 as 0 tens and 2 hundreds. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 600. Place a 0 in the ones column because we are now finished multiplying by 4. We now multiply by 3. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 5 equals 15. Regroup 15 as 500 and 100. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4,000. Add 0 ones, 0 tens. 6 plus 5 equals 1100. Regroup 1100 as 100 and 1000. 1 plus 4 equals 5,000. 5,100. However, you must remember to place your decimal point. Here is how you will place your decimal point. Count the number of digits behind the decimal point. There are 2 digits behind the decimal point. Go back to your answer. Count starting from your right 2 places. When you move 2 places, you place your decimal point. 34% of 150 equals 51. What is 90% of 80? 0 times 0 is 0 ones. 0 times 8 is 0 tens. Place a 0 under your ones column. Now we multiply by 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 8 is 72. Add 0 ones, 0 tens. Bring down your 200s and bring down your 7,000. Because there are 2 digits behind the decimal point, count from your right 2 places and place your decimal point. 90% of 80 equals 72. 7% of $139.75. 7 times 5 equals 35. Regroup 35 as 500ths and 3 tenths. 7 times 7 equals 49. 49 plus 3 equals 52. Regroup 52 as 2 tenths and 5 ones. 7 times 9 equals 63. 63 plus 5 equals 68. Regroup 68 as 8 ones and 6 tens. 7 times 3 equals 21. 21 plus 6 equals 27. Regroup 27 as 7 tens and 2 hundreds. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 900. Count the amount of digits behind each decimal place. Count from your right. There are 4 digits behind the decimal points. We will count from our right 4 places. And let's place our decimal point. 7% of $139.75 equals $9.78. Remember, round off money to the nearest cent. Now it's time to practice. What is 50% of 808? 50% of 808 equals 404. If you got that, you are correct. Let's try another one. What is 25% of 80? 25% of 80 equals 20. You're doing such an excellent job. Now, let's try this one. 15% of 200. 15% of 200 equals 30. Great job! Remember, to find the percentage of a number, multiply the number by the percent written as a decimal.